Hello everyone. Welcome to Yun's Baduk Cafe. Mastering Basic Corner Shapes Chapter 3. The L plus 1 group plus 1 Hane. Can you see the shape? 1 Hane. In this case, you cannot cut the leg. I mean the Hane. In this case, throw-in doesn't work. But before we learn about this, first we will learn how to kill this group. Let's see. Solve these problems starting from 1 to 4, step by step. So, number 1, it's easy. If you know the band 4 in the corner, you can play easily. Where? Here. That's it. You know band 4? I'm not sure. But in Japan and Korea, this shape is that shape. Band 4 in the corner. Because white cannot do anything here. And actually black doesn't too, but later some points like this shape, white cannot do anything still, but black can make a call like this. So the end of the game, black can start call. And before making call, remove all the cut threads, then black can win. But the rule is in Japan and Korea, this group is dead. In China, it's different. Okay, anyway, I just want to tell you about band 4 a little bit. So band 4 in the corner, it's dead. Easy. Yeah, if you don't play there, if you play, for example, like this, it's possible, but white can throw in. Of course, white cannot play there, but it's cool. But not easy call for black. I mean, white can play somewhere, and if you play there, and then there is a direct call. So yeah, it's kind of one-step call. So no reason to play there immediately. If you play there, it's easy. White can save with shortage of liberties. So number 1 was easy. Number 2, how can you kill this group without seki or ko? You can see, check number 1, then you can find the move easily. For example, throw in. And like that. It's exactly same shape like number 1. Can you compare? If you play, for example, like this, and that's normally seki. So now black can play tenuki, yeah, later something. If you play there, this group is dead. Be careful, it's band 4 again. So never ever play C18. It's our typical mistake. This group is alive. It's not band 4, it's seki. I mean later, even when black plays there, black cannot play both sides. Cannot play. It's not cool. It's alive. So remember, this shape is seki. Yeah, you say, oh, Youngsun, what should I do if white play there? Of course, there is a ko, but why should white make a ko? Even white can save without ko. Of course, it's a ko, like one-step ko, but white doesn't need it. Okay, just throw in, and this one is wrong, it's seki. Number 3. So, how can you kill? It's actually easy. Where is the vital point? Of course, here in the middle. If you try to connect, there is a ko. So first here, and where was important? It's like number 2 upper side. So not here because it's seki. So you throw in and bend 4. Correct. Yeah, simple. And the original shape. Number 4. How can you kill this group? In chapter 2, I told you L shape here plus 1 leg here. I told you cut the leg. That means Hane, in this case throwing, but in this case doesn't work. Why we will see soon, but according to number 1, 2, 3, you notice that where is the correct move? Yes, here. And if white plays there like this, we practice 3 times, so you can do now. Or if white plays there, you can just extend here like this. This group is dead. That shape. And what can you do? Yeah, white has to cut. For example, like this, you can play there. It's dead. Or here, also dead. So in this case, S1 is nice move, correct move without aji. Yeah, remember. But if we play there, what should we do? Don't capture, then we know we can reduce and capture. So here, there is nice move. This is this move. Of course, it's spider point, but because of this nice exchange, black cannot connect. So capture and this. So, or the answer, black's move. Not this one. In chapter 4, we can practice all the move. Yeah. So we can do the practice next time. But in this chapter, I want to tell you that's easy way to kill. Okay? If white has 1 Hane, that is the best way and easy way to kill. Then I want to show you the origin of the shape. The L shape plus 1 or 2 legs. For example, from the 4-4, we invade 3-3 often, right? And black block, for example, outside, the lower side, and push. There is this kind of joseki. Have you seen? I think so. And this is one of famous joseki. And this is L shape plus 2 legs. Is 100% alive. But some point, black play this Hane. Then you need to answer, last time we learned, like this, right? And if black has done, we play this. If you don't answer, cut the leg, it's dead. Or here, if white doesn't answer somewhere and cut the leg, and this is exactly the L shape, this group is dead. It doesn't matter where we practice this one, right? So in this case, we can see or the lower side. Yeah, now the difference is here, okema, here kema. It's hard to save normally without ko, but we will see sometimes happens like this and this and this. Usually we can play Hane and kill this group and extend. This group is local dead. But if you answer like this, white can save with L plus 2 legs. In this case, we can see the shape or upper side. One more thing here. For example, we play, sometimes I see my student or opponents play there and try to kill. And like that, then white has only one leg. Then it's time to kill with this. Of course, there is this kind of cutting point, but it depends on the ladder. I have to say we should check always the background. But without this just locker, this group is dead. Exactly L shape plus one leg. Here, yeah, one leg. So cut the leg, then you can kill. Or the last one here, and push. You know this joseki we play often, and in these days we push and play tenuki, but it was an old joseki after that tenuki, and after that white doesn't need to answer. Typical mistake, play once more, you don't need it, because it's L shape plus 1 and 2 legs. This group is 100% alive. And if black plays there, white needs to answer. Otherwise, this group is dead. Yeah, for example, you can reduce, cut the second leg, or in this case, you can attach and kill. So there are different ways to kill. Okay, in this chapter, we have to know how to kill this original shape number 4. It was, remember here. But if you practice from 1 to 4, you can learn step by step, so you can notice better and remember better. All right, if you have any question, let me know and practice this at least once a week. Thank you for watching this and see you next chapter. Bye bye.